How do you install a soft start for an air conditioner? Today I've got a soft start from Signature Solar for up to 3-ton air conditioners and one for up to 6-ton air conditioners. And we are going to install 2 of these in today's video, and this is going to be a video just to show you how to install this. You're watching HVAC Tips for Technicians / Homeowners. This is Taddy Digest. I'm Tad. Let's get started. If you do not know how to size the soft start for your air conditioner, I did a video on that, so it shows you how to size the soft start for your air conditioner. Go check out that video. I'll put the link right here, and I'll put the link down in the description so you know what size you need from Signature Solar. Before we install the soft start for this 3-ton air conditioner, we're going to use our meter and check the inrush current. That way we know what the difference is when we install the soft start. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Now, if you look at the tag here, you can see that the LRA is 83.9. So that means that the startup is going to be around that, right? Could be more, could be less. It's probably going to be more. Now, our compressor has got 3 wires, right? We've got a black wire on the load side of the contactor that's our common winding. This is our red wire on the load side of the contactor. This is our run winding. And this is our brown wire that goes to the HERM terminal of this dual capacitor. And this is our start winding. I'm going to take my meter. I'm going to put it on either my red, which is my run, or my black, which is my common. I'll go ahead and put it on the run winding. I'm going to put my dial on my meter to AAC. I'm going to hit select. I'm going to hit the inrush button twice. And now you can see that screen there. Let's turn on the breaker. 88.5. Woo! All right, now let's go ahead and install the soft start. Now that we've got it mounted inside the unit, we've got all of our wires. We've got 5 wires total. And you can see they pre-strip the ends, and that's really nice. I'm going to go ahead and take all of these off. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put a spade connector on all of these. So we're going to take our spade connector, put it on the wire, and then we're going to crimp it. Once we crimp it, we shouldn't be able to take that spade off. So you'll need a crimping tool, and you'll need to crimp your spade connectors on your wires. Now, you may need to use a ring terminal. You may need a spade connector like this, which is a female spade connector. Take a look at the diagram that comes with the soft start. There's a wiring diagram, so you'll need to read that wiring diagram, but I'm going to actually show you where all the wires go. Now that I've got the spade connectors on the wires themselves, now I'm going to remove the red, which goes to the run winding of the compressor, and the black wire, which goes to the common of the compressor. I'm going to remove those from the load side of the contactor. Now we're going to take these 2 wires that go to our compressor. I'm going to cut these ends off. I don't need these. And I'm going to strip both of these wires. And I'm going to install these male connectors. We installed the female connectors. Now we're going to install these 2 male connectors. How do you do that? You use a crimping tool. So we're going to crimp this one. Oop, that's crimped. And then we're going to take this one, put it back on here, and crimp this one. Now we can go ahead and start wiring everything up. All right, we're going to do this one wire at a time. The red wire right here that comes from the soft start first is going to go where that black wire went on top of the contactor. So right here where that black wire was going. All right, that's wire placed. Now we're going to go ahead and do the brown wire, which is next. And this brown wire is going to tie into that black wire that is the common for the compressor. Next, we're going to do the yellow wire. And the yellow wire is going to go to the HERM terminal of the dual capacitor, where that start winding goes. Right there. Then we're going to go with the black wire, and the black wire is going to go where the red wire went. Okay, so black wire on the other side of that load side of that contactor. So right here, probably need to move this wire over a little bit so we got enough room like that. Now we've got one more wire, and it's our blue, and it's going to go and it's going to connect to the the red wire that went to the other side of that contactor that goes to our compressor's run winding. And just like that, it's installed. You'll need to reference the diagram right here when you're wiring. And also, you see that we've got this male and female spade connected without a protector. In your installation kit, you're going to have these little pieces of shrink wrap that are black. I'm not going to use that. I'm either going to use some black tape or some rubber tape. Now, before I tidy everything up and get the black tape and the wire ties, let's go ahead and clamp around that blue wire, and let's see what our inrush current is. AAC, AAC, hit select, inrush button twice. We should see a green light on that soft start whenever we turn the breaker or the power back on. 28 amps. Woo! We went from 88 to 28. That's amazing. We've got our LED indicators right there. We got run LED 1, start LED 2, and self-test LED 3. That's awesome. Wow. We lowered it 60 amps. That's amazing. Let me know what you think in the comments. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the power off, and I'm gonna go ahead and make this look better. Used a couple wire ties, bundled all the wires up, that way it's nice and neat. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put the cover back on, and let's go ahead and install the 6 model, right? This was the 3 for up to 3 tons. Now we're gonna install the up to 6 ton soft start from Signature Solar. Now that 3-ton split heat pump is a lot quieter. Now we're going to install the other soft start on this package unit. But what size is it? Let's see. Model number says 5YCZ5042. 42,000 BTU, 3.5 ton unit. Now let's see what we've got for our LRA. It says compressor LRA 106, 106 amps. RLA is 18. So that means when we start up, we're going to be pulling close to that 106 amps. Let's see. We got the panel off now so we can access the wiring. There's our contactor, and on our load side of the contactor, we got our red and our black wire. Red goes to the run winding of the compressor, black goes to the common. Let's take our clamp for our meter, wrap it around the red wire, dial on AAC, hit select, hit inrush twice. Let's turn on that breaker and see what the inrush current is before we install the soft start. 119 amps. Wow. We're going to make that a lot lower. First step, before you install it, turn the breaker off, turn the power off to the machine. Don't try to install this with the power onto the machine. That's dangerous. Number 2, find the best location. So there's no room here in the electrical component section. I don't want to put it in here because this section, there's a lot of heat buildup. These are the burners. I could put it right here, but my yellow wire is not going to reach my dual capacitor. So I feel like the best location is right here in the blower compartment. This is going to work out great. I'm going to be able to run my wires through here to my contactor, and then I'm going to be able to run my yellow wire over here to the Herm terminal of that dual capacitor. So I'm going to go ahead and mount this with my 5/16 self-tap screws. Mounted the soft start in place. I've got 4 wires routed into this section that are going to connect to the wires that connect to the compressor and then to this contactor. I've removed the red and black wire from the load side of the contactor, stripped the wires, and I have installed the male spade connectors. On these 4 wires, I've installed the female spade connectors, brown, black, red, and blue. And then the yellow wire I've run with these wires in the zip ties, and this is going to connect to the HERM terminal. Now let's go ahead and wire everything up. Remember, with your soft start, whether you order the 3-ton or the 6-ton model from Signature Solar, there's a sheet that you get that has the wiring diagram. So reference this when you're installing and you're wiring. Red wire first. We're going to connect this onto the load side of the contactor where our black wire went. So right here, I'm going to install this and I'll show you where it goes. So there's our red wire first. All right, next is our brown wire. And our brown wire is going to connect to the black wire that goes to the common of our compressor. Next, we've got our yellow wire. And our yellow wire is going to plug in to our HERM terminal of the capacitor. That's where our start winding is, right? This orange wire goes to the start winding of our compressor. Got that connected? Next, you're going to take the black wire from the soft start and you're going to go to the load side of the contactor where the red wire was. So up here, right there, beside where we put that red wire, we're going to install this wire. Make sure that you don't have any loose connections. Okay, that's on there. Take a look. They're both connected. Now we're going to take the blue wire and connect it with the red wire. So, and this is the red wire that goes to our run winding of our compressor. Now all the wires are connected. Let's get some black tape, some rubber tape, and some wire ties and make this all neat. All right, let's check the inrush current. Let's go ahead and take our meter and put it on AAC. Hit select, inrush twice. We've got the blue wire in the clamp of the meter. Let's turn the breaker on. And let's see what our amperage is now. Before it was 119, I'm pretty sure. Now it is 33. Wow. Woo! That's awesome. Now you can see with the wire tie, looks so much better, looking clean. If you don't know anything about schematics, I'm going to show you where to find the compressor and the wiring that goes with that contactor. So you can see here's compressor. We got a black, an orange, and a red wire. The black says C for common, orange says S for start, and the red says R for run. You can see where the orange goes. It goes to the CR. And this is the capacitor, the run capacitor, capacitor run. So if you don't know anything about reading schematics, check out your schematics. You can see that black wire goes all the way back to what is known as the CC. This is the contactor. All right? Learn more about schematics and you'll be more comfortable with wiring. So we got a smaller 3-ton unit pulling 88 amps inrush current. We put the soft start on, now it's lowered to 28. Then we've got a larger package unit, 3.5 ton, that was pulling 119 amps inrush current. We lowered that to 33. So total, both units, if they start at the same time, is 207 amps of inrush current, right? But we lowered both of them 146 amps. So we lowered them from 207 to total together 61. So now it's only going to take 60 amps to start both of these units. Before it was 146 amps more, 207 total. Unbelievable. This is going to help so much because the customer is actually powering their home with solar, so they are using an inverter. They do have a generator. Now they can use a generator that's half the size to start these same 2 air conditioners that they had. If you need a soft start, go check out Signature Solar. Discount code is in the link in the description. There's also a video on how to size, don't forget that. So if you want to learn more about sizing, go check it out. There are several soft starts at Signature Solar. One's for RV, these. One's for a 3-ton air conditioner or up to a 6-ton air conditioner. So if you want to learn more, go check out Signature Solar's website, download those spec sheets, check out the technical specifications. Hope you liked the video, hope you learned something. If you did learn something, let me know what it was down in the comments. You got a question? Remember, questions can lead to new content, so put your questions down below. But if you don't have a question, that's okay. Let me know who you are and let me know where you're from. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe, smash that bell, ding, so you know what I'm doing. You want more videos like this? I've got a video playlist and it's titled Solar. So go check it out if you want to learn more about my other solar projects. You've been watching HVAC Tips for Technicians / homeowners. This is Taddy Digest. I'm Tad, and I'll keep you cool if you let me.